Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your TikTok videos are just not loading. Now, whether it's your profile or if it's someone else's profile, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Now, the first thing I would recommend looking into is actually your network settings, as always. So, I'd recommend doing is hopping inside of your settings application or making sure you're connected to a good signal, whatever the case is, and literally make sure you're connected to a good signal. Now, in the specific area I have horrible signal. So my TikTok videos are probably not going to load up. So if you're in an area that has really bad signal, that's pretty much the first thing I would recommend looking at. Now let's say your signal seems to be good, all your other, applications are loading, things like Snapchat, Instagram, all that other stuff, but this specific application is not. The next thing I would recommend doing is checking if TikTok is down. Now, this is the the easiest thing you can do, and it's hopefully the thing that's going on. Because if it's another issue, then it's going to take more troubleshooting. What you want to do here is you want to make your way over to the comments section of this video, or make your way over to other videos, or go to Google and type in "is TikTok down" and all that stuff. And if you go in the comment section of this video, you will see, if you sort the comments by the latest comments, you'll see maybe a lot of people commenting at one point, and I would recommend leaving a comment saying, "Hey, TikTok is down for me. Is anyone else here?" or whatever. A lot of people comment that, and to be honest, anytime TikTok is down or TikTok is not working for me, I make my way over to videos like this that I've made. I go to the comment section of them, and I literally just see if people are commenting at the same time. And that's pretty much the easiest thing you can do. It doesn't work every time because sometimes you may be the first one to see that problem. But if you are, you can leave a comment and then possibly other people will see it and they will leave a comment as well. And if a lot of people are commenting, then chances are TikTok is down and there's nothing you can do about it. Now, let's say TikTok is not down and it doesn't look like it's down for anyone else. The next thing I would recommend doing is making your way over to your App Store or the Google Play Store or whatever other page and just typing in TikTok and seeing if TikTok has an update. So this is another easy thing you can do as well. So making your way over to TikTok, you can see I have an update. I would recommend clicking that update button, updating your specific application, and see if that fixes it. Like I mentioned, more times than not, this may actually end up fixing it. If this still doesn't fix it and you're still watching this video, chances are TikTok is probably down and you probably don't even know it. So you're probably going to have to maybe wait like 30 minutes to an hour, see if it fixes itself. And that's pretty much the main thing you can do at that point. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.